Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, there is a continuous downfall we have seen in the price of natural gas, okay, with a high of around $3. Okay, once the price fall below $2, chances are very high it can go further low because the low at a level of around 2.108, and once it fall below this particular zone, chances are very high we can see it can go further low, and a probability is very high because it will come in this particular zone. Okay, and this level we have not seen since 2020, July of 2020. So chances can be high once it fall below this particular zone, and if it fall below that zone, then we can see it can move further down. Okay, now if you look at this particular trend, there is a pattern forming which I have explained in my every videos, that whenever it crosses its previous high, we have seen a sharp fall comes. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, see, look at this particular trend. Okay, and a swing form. Okay, and this particular swing moved upside. Okay, and a sharp fall come, and this sharp fall is around 30, 40, even 50, even 100% fall we have seen in the natural gas. Before we move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description. You can join that too. See, a swing is trying to form at this particular level. Okay, and it is the bottom of a particular zone. Chances can be high, suppose if this level sustain, it can cross a level of around $2.28. Okay, and can go further upside, and a probability of it can cross a level of $2.346. Okay, this $2.346 and can go towards a level of $2.5. Once the price sustain above this particular level, it can cross a level of around $2.589 to a level of $2.720. Okay, suppose if the price sustain of that particular level, it can go further down, further upside, and a probability of going towards $2.818 is there, and from there we can see it can go further high, and a probability of touching $3 is there. Keep this in mind. Once it sustain $3, then it can go further high, and a probability of going further upside is there. Then you have to understand that once it sustain $3, chances of going further upside is there, and then we can see it can move further high. But suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, it can go further low, and a probability of touching $2.11 is there, and once it fall below that level, it can go further down towards a level 2.081. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, it can go further low, and a probability of touching a level of around $1.981 is there, and from there we can see a level of 1.926. Suppose if the price move below that particular level, it can go further low, and a probability of touching $1.783 is there, and once it move below that particular level, it can go further down and towards a level of 1.650. Okay, keep this in mind, once, because this is the level where the price has come, and once it fall below $2, chances of going in this particular zone is there, and it can touch a level of 1.7 to a level of 1.650, and then further if the price didn't sustain. And once the price fall below 1.6, I'll make another video, and chance of touching 1.56 is there, and then further if the price didn't sustain. Okay, now you have to understand something, why most of the traders lose money, because they try to make double the profit, or try to make maximum of the profit, and they take 100% risk of their capital. Okay, this is what they do. I teach how to overcome all these things. So what I teach, some of the part I'll tell you here. Suppose if you're trading with $10,000, some might be trading $100,000 and all. So suppose if you're trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade, that is $1,000 to $1,500. Take a risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. Suppose if you took trades 5 trades also, maximum risk you can take is $500. Okay, this $500, suppose if you took 5 trades also, maximum risk you can do is $100, that is 500 for all trades. So if you lose 500, relax for the day and then trade the next day. Okay, what is the benefit? That you will not be in a pressure to recover that amount, and you can focus more on profit. What people do, they lose so much money, and in the process of recovering, they lose their full capital. This is what they do. So I teach how to overcome all these things. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that, and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.